Let's see how to connect OnePlus Nord Buds 2R to phone. Now go to your mobile's Bluetooth settings. The mobile is now searching for your Bluetooth device to connect to. If the Bluetooth device does not show up on your mobile, then you need to reset your OnePlus Nord Buds 2R device. This is the touch screen button. Press and hold the touch screen button for about 10 seconds. Your device has now been reset. Now restart Bluetooth again. Now the Bluetooth device is visible and ready to connect.